Ashok is here today. It's Wednesday. What's the day? 27th. Okay, it's 27th. Tomorrow these people are going to Kokke Subramanya. So from there it is in the Kumara Parvata truck. He's telling I won't be coming. But I'm
Definitely he won't come.
but I'm telling
Every time he'll tell he will come, but he won't.
See, he has a bike. He'll go in this bike. But I don't have a bike. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to catch a bus from Bangalore to Kokke Subramanya. From Kokke Subramanya, he has to pick me. You'll pick me, right? Sure. Okay, done. So this video is the evidence. Okay, done. Okay. Cool. Bye bye. So, what's up guys? So I'm here in Gorgantapalya from Bangalore to Kokke Subramanya. I'm gonna board bus. I've not booked the bus. There are many Karnataka Sarige buses. Mask hakliilla andre adukku hididare hakonಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Okay. So you can see Karnataka bus, Sarige buses. Karnataka Sarige buses are there. Okay. Just now I got the bus. Actually they said it is tough to get Kokke Subramanya bus. You have to go to Dharmasthala. From Dharmasthala there is a deviation, left deviation. You have to go like that. But before that I got Kokke Subramanya bus. So I've just taken it. So travel journey, it's going to be fun. So from Bangalore to Kokke Subramanya it is 327 rupees, the bus fare. They've given us a break, this KSRTC people. We are near this Guru Shri Hotel. It's a small tea break. The time is 4:15. So the break is done. Again the journey has started. This is Kunigal. I'm the only one boarding as a passenger here. Crazy, you know. So this is Akhilesh. So this is the bus. We are in Kokke Subramanya. Thanks. Right now I'm in Kokke Subramanya. They said you're on latest. My friends will come. They will come and pick me up. I called them. Hey, what's up guys? So finally I'm here in the room. Everyone is sleeping. Everyone are tired. They rode 400 kilometers. Look at the this one. They have what? Equipments they have. So it's cool. Only I am late. Everyone is sleeping here. I'll show you. Okay. Done guys. Good night. Tomorrow morning 5 o'clock we have to go. So a very good morning to everyone. Have a fantastic day. So today it's the second day. It's 29th of October. So guys, we had to come back here to pack all our bags because the trekking what we are talking, we thought we'll finish it in one day, but then after going there they said it will take 2 days. So the first day we have to go there. There is a place called as Buttermane. We have to stay there. We have hired tent. So the this one everything is packed. Everything is being packed. So we'll be living here shortly. Look at the bikes there. I'll zoom it for you people. We are near Kokke Subramanya. Look at the bike empties here. Beauty cut. Okay. So on the way to Kumara Parvata. We are near the Kokke Subramanya. Before going, we thought we'll have breakfast. We have come here for the tents. You can see this. You get trekking tent. If you're coming here, you have to carry tent with you. We have parked our bikes here. Tent cost is around 200 to 300. So if you're coming here, pre-plan it. You either get your tent or come here and hire it, but then pre-book it. The entrance, you can see it. This is not the entrance. This is the arch. This is like a welcome arch. So we are right in front of Kumara Parvata. This is Kumara Parvata. You know why they call it as Kumara Parvata? Kumara Parvata means, Kumaran means it's a Lord Subramanian. They call it as Murugar. And Parvata is Indra's daughter. They both got married in the top of hill. I'm just telling the history what it says. Okay. See this Karnataka Aranya Ilake, Kumara Parvata. So you are entering this place. ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Good Ashok, not even a kilometer we reached. Ashok is sleeping actually. मैं okay, rock one little here. Again the normal, this one is started. Bro, stop littering in places where you come. I can't take this and put it in the bag also. We all are waiting for Ashok. Vishnu is here.
Papa.
Praveen NS is here. I am here.
ये हम हैं, ये फॉरेस्ट है, यहाँ पार्टी हो रहा है.
We'll call Ashok. Ashok! ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? Ashok just now reached. You were sleeping, it seems. Where were you sleeping?
Halfway down.
Halfway down you were sleeping. We were waiting here for half an hour. I would have gone that time only, but I was waiting for you.
No, don't wait. I am in energy saving mode.
See, this is the proof. This is the proof. What is he telling? Okay, again. Let's make a move. What? ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೀಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ சொல்லுவாங்க ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Look at this. Whoa. Like a Tarzan thing it is. You can actually fly, but top it is not that strong, I guess. So let me try once. Ashok. Okay, start. Wow. So that was a hell lot of experience, man. Look at it. Crazy it was. Hey, we've been sitting here for 15 minutes. Ashok wants to extend it. That's why it's very good. You can sit like this. See, we have a good cot kind thing. Look top. This all you should experience. Correct or just 2 kilometers to reach. Time is 12:25. Giri Gadde. Right? But it's a Giri Gadde. We'll go straight. Ashok! Okay, Ashok again. I'm walking this time. Water is also not there, empty at us. Snacks is there in the other bag. Those people have left. So there are two ways. This way and this way. This is the regular way, I guess, because it's very clear. This is just sick. Shit. Man, the tripod just broke, it just fell. So I just changed the place from that place to the regular place. More 1 kilometer to go. Oh my god. Bro, finally I see some boats. This is this house here. Okay. Wow. This is Giri Gadde Pushpagiri Peak trekking path. Pushpagiri Wildlife Range. 7 kilometers Madikeri. Okay. Bro, I'm completely lost. I've reached the top. So I showed you the board right there. I've reached. I'm calling these people, but I don't know where these people are. No water. For a very long time, no water. They should be here somewhere 1 kilometer, man. I thought 1 kilometer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆವಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Oof. So I'm sitting, see, all alone. Look at the place where I'm sitting. I want, but at the same time, I want to take some rest and go. Anyways, listening to music. And I'm all alone. The only thing which is coming towards me is this. Okay. So let me walk, bro. What do you want to do? Lead me to the way. Bro, serious over. Okay, wherever it goes, we'll follow. If not, you're following me. Only two things possible. I'm just following him and going, bro.
Hey, Rockstar. Come here. Hey, bro. Okay, I'll help you. Go on.
Okay, this guy really helped me. I think this is the way, but he showed me the other way. Thank you. Love you, boy. Love you. Okay, man. See you. Bro, this is butter money. Bro, finally here in Vattrumane. This is the only house in the whole of mountain. This is the inside. Okay. So what we'll do, bro, food. Uta nodilli. Till now, even water I was not there. It was not there. Uppinkai, Mosuro, Wangi bad. Oh my God. Saro. Then two types of rice: white rice and boiled rice. These people have already had, so it's my turn. I have to have. Okay, these people came 1 hour before. Now Ashok is still there. Okay. So, guys, it's 2:30 now. We did an amazing lunch. Water. See, they're taking a rest now. So we will sleep for half an hour from. Actually, half an hour is enough. We lost Ashok. Ashok will come.
We didn't lose Ashok. You lost Ashok.
No, Ashok. He'll come.
You left him alone.
I didn't leave him alone. How can I leave him alone? I was trucking. I came fast. Ashok is here.
Hey,
Ashok, how was the experience? Interview. ನಾನು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ವா ಅಶೋಕ್ ಎನ್ ಕೂಡ ವಾ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಆಟ್
அந்த மட்டும் உங்ககிட்ட மட்டும் தண்ணி இருந்துச்சு ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல நீ எப்படி வந்த
Ashok came after 3 hours. What's the time now? 3:38.
சாம்பார் நல்லா ஊத்திடா
This is drinking water. This actually comes. This is spring water. This is the only home in the whole of Kumara Parvata. Okay, so we are in Pushpagiri checkpost. We have to pay entry fee 350 rupees per head for adult. Checkpost. This is the forest office. And one more thing, guys, if in case you forget the tent, you can even come here and inquire with the forest department people. Even they have tents. Even they'll provide you the tents. So this is GoPro. Going. Okay, this is waterproof. See, they're testing. This is waterproof.
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಊತಾಗ
Warm welcome to our tent. But I don't know, 2 people can sleep. Oh. Bro, I alone should sleep in this, bro. Ashok came at... Huh? Okay, so the time is 6:12. It has become dark now. You can see the clouds are fully covered. So the time is 9:15. The thing is, it started raining here heavily. Once it started raining, our tent fully got drenched. You can see it. The drenched in the sense the water started coming inside. So what happened? we all went to our food. Water started coming, we all went out to our food. We had food in that same butter was what I showed you afternoon. So 3 of them, they decided to stay there. They said they're not coming because this will get drenched. But then I told, for me, I kind of felt many people were there. So I told, it's fine, I'll go to tent. And I had a gang, like some other gang, I came with them. So right now I'm in tent, it's 9:15. So I think it's a signing off. We'll see tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I think I'll be filming on the other camera. So finally we reached Kumara Parvata.